There are several extra coverages worth adding to a standard homeowner's policy. Which ones matter most depends on one, where you live, and two, what you own. Flood coverage is one of the biggest gaps. Standard policies don't cover water that enters your home from the outside. Separate flood coverage is available through federal programs like the National Flood Insurance Program or private insurers, and it's worth considering, even if you're not in a designated high risk flood zone. Earthquake coverage is also excluded from standard policies. If you're in an earthquake prone area, that's a real exposure. Water backup damage is another common exclusion, but it can be added through a water backup endorsement that covers sewer overflows, drain backups, and sump pump failures, surprisingly frequent and expensive causes of home damage. And if you own high value items like jewelry, art, or musical instruments, standard policies often cap the amount they'll pay. Separate coverage for those items fills that gap. Sometimes rebuilding costs more than your policy limit covers, especially when construction prices rise sharply. Extended replacement cost coverage adds a buffer above your dwelling limit to close that gap. Equipment breakdown coverage covers major home systems and appliances when they fail due to mechanical or electrical breakdown, a cause that standard homeowners policies typically exclude. The right combination depends on your home's location, what you own, and the specific risks that apply to your property.